model, 2015 plate Vauxhall Vivaro 2900 Sportive 1.6 CDTI factory-fitted crew cab No Vat. Body, grey, crew cab. Mileage, 123968. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PS BITURBO S, SE5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs great. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Engine and running gear are fine. Straightforward head gasket replacement job. Genuine factory fit crew cab definitely worth repairing. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, aircon, cruise Contron, parking sensors, electric windows, 2 keys, start-stop, alloy wheels, tow bar.